A part of the OP Jindal Group, JSPL is one of the leading players in steel, power, mining, oil and gas, as well as infrastructure sectors. Under the charismatic leadership of Mr. Naveen Jindal, Jindal Steel and Power Limited has transformed from a moderately performing steel manufacturing company to one of India's most efficiently run diverse conglomerates.
Values for an organization and for individuals within an organization are the basic principles of transacting all our businesses. These values determine what we have to do and how we have to do and how well we have to do. We have passion for people, we have ownership, we have sense of belonging to the organization, we have sustainability as an important principle of our organization, we have integrity as a cardinal dimension, a great value for ourselves, we have loyalty, professional loyalty and ownership of the people for the organization we are working for. Now all these values together constitute what is called the Jindal way of working, POSSIBL. The E would be coming from the energy that the people of this organization would be generating.
Rewards and recognition policy has been institutionalized to reinforce and strengthen meritocracy, which is one of the themes of JSPL's core values, passion for people. This policy attempts to recognize the employee's contribution and conduct towards furthering organizational goals, vision and values through an appropriate mix of team and individual recognitions. Under Reward and Recognition Scheme, a set of performance awards have been rolled out to acknowledge meritocracy in the organization. Performance of the Year Award acts as a tool for recognizing the efforts and commitment of our employees who have achieved the highest level of performance aligning to the business objectives over the course of a year.
I have been associated with JSPL organization since 2010. This organization has provided me a strong platform to grow professionally in my career. I was involved in developing of new angle and channel profile in the year 2012 and 13, and also we have achieved 46% growth in the productions. In the same year, we have achieved apex radius below 2 millimeters in angle 200 and angle 150. In higher thickness, it was the major challenge for us to achieve that, because we were able too much problems related to the quality, and we were not able to supply our angles finished product to our TLT customers. After that modification, in the past modification, the rolling schemes we have done, in the in-house development we have done in the angle sections, and we have achieved apex radius below 2 mm. I was very much inspired by Mr. R.K. Ajmeria through his ideas and views, and giving me a free hand to work. This would also have not been possible without my senior colleague and teammates who helped me at every step. After achieving this award, I felt very privileged and motivated to work more hard. And I convey this message to my subordinates, my teammates: always work hard and always work within sportsmanship and within team spirit. Thank you.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम पुष्पल मुखर्जी है। मैं SMS 2 रायगढ़ जिंदल से हूँ। जब मैंने ये सुना कि मेरे को ये अवार्ड मिला है, तो ये मेरे लिए बहुत ही खुशी का टाइम था, और ये मेरे फैमिली और मेरे टीम के लिए बहुत ही प्राउड मोमेंट था। और मैं ये सोचता हूँ कि मेरे ज़िंदगी के लिए ये सबसे बढ़िया टाइम है जब मेरे को ये अवार्ड मिल रहा है। एज ए मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर मैं ये सोचता हूँ कि मैं जो काम करता हूँ उसको सिंप्लीफाई करूँ, उसको आसान करूँ, ताकि मेरे कॉलीग्स जो मेरे नीचे काम करते हैं उनको वो काम करने में आसानी हो। जो प्रॉब्लम डेली फेस करते हैं उससे वो बाहर आ सके और वो काम आसानी से हो सके। ये मेरा एटीट्यूड है कि मैं हमेशा ये सोचता रहता हूँ कि पॉजिटिव वे में सोचता रहता हूँ कि कैसे आगे बढ़ा जाए और ज़िंदगी को आगे कैसे बढ़ाया जाए। Being a message I want to say, convey my colleagues, I want to share one। मैं अपने एक अनुभव आपके साथ शेयर करना चाहता हूँ। जब मैं काम करता था तो मेरे को ऐसा लगता था कि जब मैं अच्छा काम करता था तो मेरे को ऐसा लगता था कि मेरे बॉस मेरे को अप्रिशिएट करें, पर मेरे को उस टाइम ऐसा अप्रिसिएशन मिलता नहीं था। पर मैं शायद गलत था उस टाइम, क्योंकि वो अगर मेरे को वो नहीं मिलता तो मैं आज इस पोजीशन पे नहीं पहुंच पाता। और मैं ये सोचता रहता हूँ कि मैं आगे कैसे बढ़ूँ और आगे अपने दोस्तों, अपने सहपाठियों, अपने कलीग्स को कैसे वो काम को आसान करके दूँ, ताकि वो उनके काम करने में आसानी हो।
Hello everyone, my name is Deepak Mehta. I am working in Kokon plant as assistant manager mechanical. I am working with JSPL since 2005. I felt very happy and proud on being nominated as the award of Executive of the Year and the Performance of the Year both. I am very grateful to JSPL management and especially to HR team who initiated such kind of programs where we can showcase our talents. As per me, the title of Executive of the Year and the Performance of the Year are the most prestigious titles, and it's a matter of proud to be selected for such wonderful titles. I would like to convey one message to my team that no one can't get success with his own efforts only. There are many hands behind every success. So do your work with honesty and with team spirit. Success will definitely come to you. मैं अपनी फैमिली को थैंक यू बोलना चाहूँगा, जिन्होंने हर वक्त मेरा साथ दिया और इसी कारण से मैं अपने अचीवमेंट्स को पूरा कर पाया।
ये सुन के मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा। मैं बहुत खुश हुई जब इन्होंने मुझे फ़ोन पे बताया कि मुझे एजुकेटिव ऑफ द ईयर के लिए चुना गया है, परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ द ईयर के लिए चुना गया है। तो मैं बहुत खुश हुई, मुझे बहुत प्राउड फील हुआ कि उनको ये अवार्ड मिल रहा है। मैंने घर पे बताया तो मेरी मदर इन लॉ भी बहुत खुश हुई। वो बोली बेटा ये सब क्या होता है, तो मैंने उनको बताया कि ये इनकी हार्ड वर्किंग है, ये मतलब काम को बहुत मन लगा के करते हैं, इसलिए इनको ये अवार्ड मिला।